Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Natasha, and if you're new, welcome to Natasha Styles, and if you have just subscribed, thank you so much. It means a lot to me. In today's video, I am going to go to Zara. My birthday is in less than a week, and I'm going to go see what they have new in store. And I know that there is a massive sale going on in Zara, online and in store, so I thought I'd bring you along and show you what they have. And when I do come back, I'm going to do an unboxing of what I got for my birthday, and I'll let you see what I got. I can't wait to open it. I received it like a week now, and knowing me, if you know me, as soon as I receive, you know, a box or a present, I already open it. So I'm quite impressed that I haven't opened it and unboxed it yet. So I thought I'll do an unboxing with you. So you know what, let's go and see what Zara has in store. Oh, don't forget to give this video a like. You know, make sure you hit that like button and the red subscribe button, click it. And when you do click the red subscribe button, also go ahead and hit the notification bell and change it to all, so whenever I post a video you won't miss anything. And you know what, without further ado, let's go and see what Zara has in store.
One chance, you will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night, and when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night, this summer night. Sleeping in the back of a van, roaming in the wilderness. We never need a plan. We'll be alright, just you and I. Singing from the top of our lungs, dancing by the lakeside. Gonna do it while we're young. In a moment it will all be gone. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night, and when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night.
The first thing I'm trying on is this linen set, and love the skirt, comfy. So this is like a set, a cord set, but I am not feeling the top. The top is way too big. It's a size medium. It needs to be a bit more smaller. But look at the skirt. Don't mind this. This is the skirt, and I love the skirt. And look at these beauties. But the shoes, they're so cute. These shoes really remind me of the one on the back. I think the shoes are a keeper, and the skirt as well. I'm going to show you the skirt with a bodysuit as well, just so you can see how it looks. Right, now we are talking, I think, more better with the bodysuit. I think the bodysuit ties in much better. Love the look. Right. I think I found my birthday outfit, I think. But knowing me, I might change my mind. So I've just swapped out the skirt, and I have these 3/4 trousers, and I'm feeling them. I wasn't sure at first, but look at them. Oh, they are giving. The only thing, the back of it, as always, the back of it's a little bit too big, but I love it. What do you think? Let me know. I might get these too, I'm not sure. So this is this gorgeous green top. I think the light is not doing it justice, but it's different, something I would wear. I think I'm going for this a bit more. Look at this. This is a gorgeous green top, and I am feeling it. The color is much brighter, but it's summer, and I think this might be my birthday outfit. but I also love the skirts. I don't know. Look at that, cute. I swapped out the trousers for the skirt. I love the skirt, but I think with the top it's not working. But look at all the ruffles detailing in this gorgeous top. Right, so this is the blue dress, a little bit tight around my hip. I love the top bit of it, but just a little bit too tight, so I don't have to get a large. But I love the slit. Legs and hips and body. Work with everything. If it's one thing I'm sure I'm getting, are these babies. These, look at them. So I cannot come to Zara and not get a blazer. Love this. Cute. And it looks good with my white bodysuit and my shorts. And I still have these on. Look at these. I mean, Zara need to clean their changing room, but that's another story. But look at these. Oh. Yes. Yes. As you can see, I've changed my hair because, you know, I get bored of it and I think life is too short to have boring hair. And, you know, my sister always hooks me up, so I change my hair quite often. My outfit, my blazer is from H&M. Love this color, especially on my skin tone. My necklace is from Monica Veneta. White bodysuit because, you know, I live in them. My denim, and I have on like a white pair of denim shorts. These are from H&M. These are new. And for footwear, I'm going to be wearing my Adidas trainer because I'm going to be doing lots of walking. And my bag, I think I'm just going to take my Kurt Geiger bag because it's going to be quite relaxed, chill, but yet feel, you know, comfy and look put together. Because you know me, you know, spend less but look put together. So that's it. Just come back from shopping and I'm very pleased like with the items I picked up from Zara. I'm just going to show you what they are. If you had seen like the bits I tried on, you probably guess some of the items that I've purchased. So the first item that I got is this headband. So this is how it looks. It's a headband that you put on your head, and it was for $25.99 it says, but I got it for $5.99. And oh, doesn't want to go on. And you wear something like this. I can't wait to style it up with my outfit. Super. I like the sparkles and the shiny aspect of it because I think when you wear it with your outfit, it's just gonna make your outfit pop. So that's what I like about it. And it has this just to tie it up, but I like it. $5.99, you definitely can't go wrong. Also, what I picked up at Zara, I picked up these earrings. So these were $15.99. I'm not sure if you can see them. These were $15.99. And I paid £5.99 for them, so I definitely think that they're a bargain because I was like, oh. And I think these are gonna look good with my outfit. In store, you would have seen how much I raved about these gorgeous pair of heels. They're really comfy. Sometimes when I get shoes from Zara, they're not comfy at all, but these, look at these, I got them. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna be wearing these on my birthday because I really love how they look, and I've been looking for a pair of like clear heels. And these are the one. Gorgeous, sparkle, and they look amazing with any item that I've tried on. They look amazing with them, so you definitely can't go wrong. These were $59.99 and I did get them in a size 41 because they're not white fit, but I love them. I can't wait to wear them, and the color, ooh, they're gonna be so perfect. As you can see from the try on, I did try them on and I love them, and I'm so happy with these. I'm so happy with this purchase. I also got the skirt because I like the way that they look, and normally when I go to Zara and I try them on, they're a bit too tight, but these ones, they fit me perfectly. They're linen, they're light, they are perfect for summer, especially with crop or almost like, well, you know me, I'm probably gonna be wearing them with bodysuits because that's just my vibes. These, I did get them in a size large and the price was under £35, but I love the fit of them and I just love the length of them, and they got a slit, and you know how excited I get when I wear items that has a slit in them. And I got the 3/4 trousers. The print, the color, the vibes, You're gonna see me wearing this for my birthday. I love it. At first I wasn't sure how I felt about it, but I can't wait to wear it. I think I'll do a video like a get ready with me, you know, what I wear for my birthday. So yeah, this is gonna be in it. This is gonna be the star. I just love the color. So for the 3/4 trousers, I did get this in a size large and the price was under £50. But the print, you can wear this with brown, you can wear it with green. It's gonna look amazing. Amazing, I tell you, amazing. And I just can't wait to wear it. My birthday is less than a week away and I treated myself. And I think you shouldn't wait for someone to treat you. You should treat yourself. So that's what I did. I treated myself. And I got these for my birthday and thought I'll do a little unboxing and show you what I got. I haven't opened them yet, even though I received them about a week now, and I was so eager because me, whenever I receive a present, if I receive it before my birthday, I open it. I don't wait because I'm like, what's the point of waiting? So it comes like wrap, and love the wrapping, and you can see that it has a Chanel logo. Ooh, it's excited. So inside there's samples. In the Chanel samples I got the serum and I also got the cream. So when I use them, I'll let you know if you should get them, because and I really love when I get samples because I can try them out and see if I actually want to get like the larger size, because sometimes, you know, you buy stuff and you're like, I actually don't like it. So it's good to get like samples. But I'm quite happy with what I got for my birthday. I'm over the moon. So what I got for my birthday, so in this box I got the Chanel No. 5, and this is more of the, I think this is the more intense one. This is the spray that it says. What do I think of it? Okay, it's a bit more strong, yeah. We'll see how it smells as it go along, but I'll do a review on it and let you know what I think of it, because I normally buy the 35ml because I just feel like if I don't like the perfume, I've got the smaller one, and then when it's done I won't get another one. But if I do like it, I will go back and get the big one. Also I got the Coco Mademoiselle Chanel Paris Fresh Body Mist. I thought the perfume would be perfect like for day, and this will be something that's perfect for night, like in the evening. Oh, gorgeous. So this is the Coco Mademoiselle Chanel Paris, and this is a fresh body moisturizing mist. It's very fresh. Yeah, it smells good as well. The perfume is a little bit stronger than what I thought it would have been, because normally I don't like perfume that's quite strong, but that's okay, that's okay. We'll work with it. And the final thing that I did get from Chanel for my birthday, because you should treat yourself, I got the hand cream. I've been wanting this for ages, but I was like, I'm gonna wait. And I think birthday is a special occasion, so I got this. And I tried it in store and I loved it. And it keeps my hands really soft. So it comes out quite light. And for me it's a bottle. I actually love the shape of the bottle. It's really gorgeous. This is it. So yeah, this is the bottle and I love it. And it leaves your hand feeling really soft, and it smells amazing as well. These are what I got myself for my birthday, but I've been wanting them, and I thought that, you know what, my birthday is like a special occasion, and I got these babies. So yeah, I'm quite pleased with them, and once I use them, and I'll do a review and let you know what I think of these products. But yeah, I'm happy. I'm excited for my birthday. I don't have much planned, but I think every year just being alive and living to see another birthday is something that you should be happy about. So yeah, and I can't wait to use these. I'm so excited.